Guys, what are we looking at today? Well, we're going to look at a couple of Jim Skelton custom knives. You can see them on the table in front of you. They are really, really good, and they've got a hidden trick to them. These things are awesome. You can see that they glow. Hopefully you can see it. I'm not sure how it's going to come out because I haven't filmed that part yet. But yeah, these things are amazing. So these came in from one of my paying subscribers, JB Knife Collector, so thanks to him. So let's turn this around. We're gonna take a quick look at these really, really awesome knives. Well, as you guys saw in the intro, we've got two very, very cool full custom knives by Jim Skelton, buddy of mine. And these came in from Jacob, JB Knife Collector. He's one of my subscribers and paying members. So we're going to take a look at these. This is going to be a quick video because there is no real way I'm going to actually use these knives. These are way too cool, way too gorgeous, way too unique for me to do anything with. So we'll talk about them real quick. So no real size comparisons we're going to get into. This is the first mini Hellraiser ever made. Now, Jim has only been making knives for a few years, but he really has just jumped into doing it well. And he has a very specific aesthetic to his knives. They are very stylistic and artsy. Could you use this knife? Yeah, I imagine you could. I would not. It doesn't meet a lot of my needs and uses. But yeah, Jim has really done a good job. So this is the first mini Hellraiser. We'll look at it again in a second. And this is a one-off that he called just the no-name butcher. And he said that this knife fought him the entire way. So this knife here, the first mini Hellraiser, was done in Magna Cut, and then this mini no-name butcher was done in, give me just a second, sorry about that, 154 cm. I had to check it again. I could not remember what he said. So you can see Jim uses these very attractive pivots. He shadow boxed the scales on this one. Both of these have that orange glow liner that you saw in the intro, which is really cool. Now, Jim's a friend of mine, and I know he can take constructive criticism, but I do know that he does these knives this way for a reason. These aren't necessarily knives for an end-use purpose. I think that these knives are way too thick. Even though this is a very gorgeous, attractive grind, and it is sharp, I would absolutely want this a lot thinner on this grind. But if you're somebody that's going to get one of these and just carry it and have it as the cool factor, these are kind of things that you're never going to carry. That would be my only critique on that one. This one's a lot better. This one's a lot thinner behind the edge, much more functional. But one of the cool things, what we're going to look at is the cool things about these knives. That's the only negative I have. Like if I was going to get one of these, it would go in a safe. Look at Jim's grind work. All these angles, these handles come down. They're all matched up and beautiful. But even these little facets that he puts on the finger guard, the way that the contours on these handles go. Now, this is me appreciating a piece of art. This is not a functional tool in my opinion. But like I said, how he ground this off and chamfered that back into this area, almost like in line with the swedge, back into the handle area. You know, just gorgeous work. Now, these are forged carbon fiber handles, like I said, with the glow liners on both of these, and they are gorgeous, and they make a very cool looking matched set. So I didn't want this to be a real long video. This is going to be some weekend content. So I didn't want you guys to have to spend the whole day. So I thought you guys would like to just take a good look at a really cool offering from a custom knife maker. Great look. I love the look. This is actually comfortable. This I could see me possibly using, and I can't figure out why I can't keep the focus. I could see myself possibly using this little butcher, this little one-off butcher that he made. So yeah, great knives. I just thought I'd bring them to you. We're going to do some final thoughts on the way out. I'll talk to you about like some of the cool things that Jim has done and is doing. So yeah. Let's turn this around and do some final thoughts and send you out about the rest of your weekend and happy holidays. There you go, guys. Like I said, I don't think that I would purchase these. I don't think that I have a use case for these knives. I don't purchase knives just as art, but I'll tell you absolutely very much these are art. And something I wanted to mention, I forgot, Jim's knives, all the knives that I've seen that have come in that Jim has made, and all the knives that I've seen Jim make have got some of the best sheaths. They are made by a guy in Texas, a guy named Randall Mackey. He's amazing. I've had him make sheaths for some other people. Hands down, some of the best sheaths out there you are going to find, hands down. Really good leather, really good work. So thanks again to JB for sending these, and thanks to Jim for giving me the info on them. Jim has been a great friend over the years. Awesome, awesome guy. You should definitely go check out his YouTube channel over there. If you haven't, I don't see how you could be watching this video and not already have seen one of his. So guys, that's it on this one. If you like the videos, give them a thumbs up. If you don't like the videos, give them a thumbs down, but tell me why. I can't change content if you don't tell me what you don't like. If you want to support the channel, it's as simple as like, share, subscribe, drop a comment, hit the bell icon. Make sure you've got the bell icon set to all and notifications turned on your device. And when it comes to likes are the best thing you can do for any channel, not just mine, any channel. If you watch a video for more than 30 seconds and you have not hit the like button, you are doing the channels you love a disservice because it doesn't push them up the algorithm. Views are looked at completely different than interactions on the video. If you want to support the channel financially, there's a handful of ways. There's a bunch of affiliate links down below. Anything you purchase with the affiliate links, even if it's not the item you clicked on on the Amazon ones, I still get credit for it. So if you're buying turpentine or toothpaste, it doesn't matter. Click on one of those Amazon links and use it to make your daily purchases. There's a couple of them have a couple of those affiliates that have discounts. Coffee Brand Coffee and Atlas VPN both have a discount associated with my affiliate link that can save you a good bit of money. And there's other ways. I have a membership that's tier-based. Everyone that's a member has access to my Gilded server. Baseline and premium tier members are automatically entered into giveaways I do on the Gilded server, and the premium guys have access to a sharpening tutorial series I've built for them here on YouTube behind the paywall. And final way is I have a merchandise store on Ember Shirt Co, where you can pick up my merchandise or other creators' merchandise for a discount with the coupon code CrazySharp, all one word, capital C, capital S, CrazySharp, saves you 10% at checkout. Guys, that's it on this one. Keep it clean in the comment section. It makes it easier for me to moderate the channel. If it's your birthday, happy birthday. I love you all, and I will see you in the next video.